Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm going to be replacing the rear badge on my Alfa Romeo Giulietta, and I'm going to show you the method which in my opinion is the best since it prevents any of the damage to the badge mount. This method can also be used to replace the badge on pretty much all of the Alfa Romeo models. Now before I do any of that, I'm gonna take my badges that I got online. I'm gonna take this protective film off and I'm gonna apply a couple of layers of clear coat over them just to make them last for a couple of years instead of only a couple of months. The one thing that you have to remember when it comes to replacing these type of badges is that beneath behind the badge there's actually a small hole in the middle, so we're gonna use that to our advantage. Instead of trying to get the badge off from the sides, I'm actually gonna pull the hole through the badge and I'm gonna remove it that way. So essentially, as I just said, I'm basically just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to punch the hole in the middle of the badge. Alright, there it is. And I'm just gonna work my way around it, trying to remove the adhesive from behind, and when I do that, the badge is gonna come off. One thing I have to warn you about, you don't want to use too much force so you don't break the button mechanism. You can see this material is quite soft and it's actually coming off pretty easily. Now I'm gonna switch on to a bit bigger flathead screwdriver. And you can see we are out on the other side. And you can see now that the badge is coming off. It is gonna require a bit of force to get this glue undone. Alright, and that's it. If you have any of the leftover glue, use either some brake cleaner or alcohol to remove it. As I said, I'm just gonna use a bit of 70% alcohol and a microfiber rag, and I'm just gonna clean the leftover glue and all of the dirt so the glue on the badge can adhere better. Now, while I'm waiting on the rest of the alcohol to vaporize, I gotta show you one more thing. Now, there's this little notch right here on the badge. You gotta watch out for the same spot on the button itself. Now, when you line those two, it's gonna help you center the badge so everything is nice and straight. Now, I'm just gonna remove this piece of plastic and I'm gonna stick the badge on. And that is basically it. Let's check out if everything works properly. and we are done. At the front, process is gonna be pretty much the same. Even though I got the new grill for my Giulietta, I still need this screw to secure it, so I'm gonna take this chance to show you how to remove this badge off of the old grill. Now the process, as I said, is gonna be pretty much the same. However, the hole is located a bit lower, so again I'm gonna take my screwdriver and slowly pry the badge off. Again, be careful not to break or damage any of the surrounding plastics. Alright, and that is pretty much it. To remove the leftover glue, as I said, you can use either alcohol or brake cleaner. And there's my screw that I need for the new grill. The problem that I have with installation of this aftermarket badge on this new grill is that the mount on the new grill is not rounded off as it is on the original one. For that reason, I'm not gonna use this glue on the badge. I'm actually gonna use some automotive silicone to secure it. So for this you can apply pretty much any of high quality automotive silicone, and in this case I'm gonna be quite generous, and basically I'm just gonna stick the badge on. Another problem that I have with this aftermarket grill is that it doesn't have the little slot for the pin on the badge, which helps to center it. So I'm gonna have to do this by eye, and after I'm happy with the results, I'm basically just gonna put some tape over the badge to keep it in place for maybe like an hour or two until the silicone beneath sets in. The disadvantage to using a silicone is that it's going to be much harder to remove the badge when I need to replace it in the future. But knowing from the experience with the use of clear coat, these badges should be good for at least 2 or 3 years. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of the team.